Hi everyone, it's Mark from Brave Auto International in Japan. I ain't going to do a road test of this one. I'm just going to do a walk around video and just show you the features of it and just the general condition, etc. I'm pushed for time today, so obviously, as I said, there's no test drive video. It's a 1994, obviously it's a turbo diesel, 4.2, automatic, done 135 I think it is, thousand Ks. We'll have a look in a minute anyway. It's obviously got your front bar on it. It's otherwise fairly stock, it's got lockers, front and rear. And it's in the dark green metallic. Like I say, you got your front bar, got your headlight washers, spotlights up the front there. Got your front mount mirror, makes it easier to see around this area. It's got the factory large rain visors, front and rear. Got the factory alloys, which is 16 inch if I remember correctly. Yep, 16 inch. You got the factory side steps, factory molded mud flaps. It's obviously the VX Limited as well. Got some trailer power here, but there's no tow board, so you'll need to add that if you want to tow anything. We'll have a look in the back and work our way forward. It's clean and tidy in this section, you know. Seats fold down. Some people ask if these come with 7 seats. They do, but only in the petrol model, not the diesel. Diesel's always only 5 seaters. Close this up. It's harder holding the camera and doing things with one hand. We'll have a look in the back and then we'll make our way forward. Got the half suede, and actually no, this actually has all suede trim. Sorry. Okay, so you've got suede here, and obviously suede on the seats. You have factory child locks. It's obviously got tinted glass or tint on the window, the rear doors and the rear here. It's just a factory sticker that's coming off slowly, so you'd pull the rest of it off anyway. You've got individual armrests. And obviously the seats will fold down and you can actually fold them over again as well. Just in the interior, just needs a light clean. You know, just give it to a detail and just get a professional clean done on it and it'll come up good. You know, you just got a little bit of dirt on there, you know. Just the same with the hood line, just a little bit of dirt. You got floor mats throughout. Once again, you got the suede here and here. Electric windows in the rear as well. Dash is all good. Just a bit of wear there on the suede, no tears, just, you know, just a little bit of light wear. Same there. That's the auction sheet from when I purchased it. So it's, as you can see, it's grade 4, 136,000 Ks, not Christian. It says on there normal and sport, which is for the suspension, which I'll show you in a minute. Diff lock and cool box. Just bits and pieces about it. Go around the other side, and then we'll point out the faults, I suppose. All cars have faults. Just take that key out to stop it from beeping. Door panels, yeah, good. Same again, suede and suede. You got all electric windows here, auto drivers, central locking, factory door speaker. Just a bit of wear there on the suede. Same again, no tears, just, you know what suede goes like, gets a bit of wear. Here we have electric folding mirrors. This will be for your fog lights up the front, headlight washers, and that will be for your fog light. That's the actual fog light that's in the headlights. This will be for the aftermarket ones that have been added. You have like a choke here type system. It has cruise control as well, which is good. Okay, just jump in. It's got the leather steering wheel, which is in, you know, good nick. For your headlights, it's got automatic headlights as well, or normal. And then on this side you have the front and rear wipers, intermission for the front and rear as well. And this one here adjusts the steering column up and down. Start over here. This is for locking the center diff. This here is for locking the front diff and the rear diff. So this is the lockers that everyone wants. All the Land Cruisers will come with a center diff lock, but it was a factory extra to get the front and rear lockers. And when you got these, they will climb mountains, basically. Rear demister, ECTs to do with the automatic transmission. Changes the, it's like a sports mode and normal mode. You've got electric aerial up and down, which works. It's got an aftermarket, up here you've got a clock, which works, which I'll fire it up anyway. Come back over there, I'll just show you the dash. Coming up. See the lockers light up then? You watch. So that's how you tell if they've got lockers. Oil pressure there, over there, going up. Here you've got a clock, which works. Got an aftermarket stereo pop-out monitor thing. You will actually remove this and put your own one in, because it won't pick up the stations in Canada. And it's an easy one to put a stereo into. Down here you've got sports and normal mode. This is for your suspension. Then over here you have rear heater control, so you have low and high. You obviously got your automatic transmission. You got overdrive here as well, push, so you can make it drop down a gear. And the good thing with these, it tells you on the dash as well, there's the overdrive going on and off. And then if I move the gear lever, reverse, D to low. This is obviously for your four-wheel drive, so you have high ratio and low ratio. Here we have hot and cold box. So obviously if you push the button, you can see the light come on, so it's cool. And then you can go one more and you can actually make ice if you want. I'll just show you. That's a top storage box, that's to do with the stereo. And that's your icebox cooler maker in there, and they actually work really well too. You'd be surprised. Here we have, let's get the light to come up. We have compass and altimeter, and at night you can have this. There's a light here, light off or light on, so you can light this up so you can see it. And then you obviously got your electric sunroof here. You got tilt and open, so you got a sunshade, which is there, so I'll just open it. You can see it opens and doesn't make any strange creaking noises. Now we'll just close it. It will always stop here, and then you just got to push the button again. So if I just go back a little bit, now I go forward again, you watch it will stop. See? And I'm still holding the button. Release, push it again, carries on. And then this one's for up. Fairly simple, really. Okay, let's give it a couple of revs. Okay, just have a look in the engine bay. Okay, I have gas struts that hold the bonnet open, and they're obviously strong enough, they're holding it up there. It has the dual batteries, so it has the 24 volt starter motor, which is obviously good for like cold areas, winter and all that. But your electrics inside the vehicle are all 12 volt. It's had a cam belt done, that was replaced at 100,000 Ks. Pretty clean and tidy in there. Okay. Let's give it a couple of revs and then I'll switch her off, and then I'll point out the bad points. So as you can see, there's no clouds of smoke or anything. Just switch her off, and we'll just take that key out, stop from beeping. Right, on the driver's seat here, you've got a small cigarette burn there and a small one there, and on the door panel down there, a small one. Now obviously the vehicle's been smoked in. I can't smell smoke, okay, and I'm a non-smoker. It doesn't smell mustardy, stale, like stale smokes or anything like that. So, yeah, it's been smoked in, but I can't smell smoke. I'll start from this side and we'll work our way around. You've got a light scuffing just there. Okay, you better polish that a little bit and tone it down. Just on there and just there. This white you can see here, it's just polish, silicone off from polish. Now on this door here, you've got, I don't know what's happened here, but a little chipping just here. Okay, and around that piece there. Okay, so this section here, just step back. You've got to remember I'm going up close and I'm pointing all these things out, so go back in. You know, it is there obviously. Etc. Good thing with this one, a lot of the Land Cruisers get rust along this panel here. This one's actually really good, got no early signs or anything of rust. Got a scuff here on the corner of the bumper. You just got a little bit of a scuffing just there, in that piece there, and just some there as well, around there. Same again with this side, it's all good along here. Got some little stone chips, you know, just little ones here and there. Like there's a little one just there, if you can see that. Rubber that runs along here is just starting to get some cracks in it, you can see, just a crack there. It's still solid. It's just got cracks in it. I'll just show you the roof, which is good. There's no fading or anything. There's a little mark there on the bumper corner. You've got a little bit of a dent, just a little bit of surface rust just there. Okay, a little bit there in the front bar. Okay, the rest of the bar is okay.
bit of scuffing just here underneath.
And once again, your rubber piece here on this side's also getting some little cracks. But otherwise, it's it's nice. I'll just show you the underbody. With these, you've got to look at the underbody up the back here on them. And I'll try and get the camera to. It's actually all good. I'll just go around it once more for you. Obviously it drives well, obviously driven it. We're probably only one of the very few of the exporters that actually do drive the vehicles. If you look at this little march here, see the plate on it, that's our dealer plate that enables us to test drive the vehicles. It's your 1994 Land Cruiser, done 136,000 Ks, VX turbo diesel. Lockers, and yeah, not a bad vehicle. Okay, thank you, see you later.